Welcome to Anything World, a platform that lets you create anything in your mind's eye. Make games, apps, snaps, traps, and mixed reality G-maps, all from the comfort of your own laps. How it works? Our platform harnesses over 500,000 publicly available static 3D objects that you can use. Let's take a llama, for example, a static object. Our machine learning magic sauce first marinates it, then spins it around and brings it to life. Whatever you have the power to imagine, you can bring to life with Anything World. Use our intuitive no-code editor panels to request any objects with the greatest of ease. Or use simple code logic to create anything at runtime, or actually anytime. And if you need something even more oven-ready, use our one-click environment creator to do it for you. You can even use your voice to create experiences too.
Hey, Anything World! Create a medieval village at 15 Vikings fighting a giant chicken in front of it. Wow, cool!
Our conversational integrations are super easy to use at runtime, and especially handy when interface just gets in the way.
Hey chicken,
Yeah, what's up?
destroy the village.
Okay, no problem.
Oh wow, that's amazing.
It's the ideal way to spice up your social life too.
Make aliens fly over my head and rainbows and planets in the background.
So, to summarise in an overly dramatic fashion, access over 500,000 living 3D objects. Use code or don't. Use your voice to create and control, and output your creations to any device. So, see anything, say anything, play anything with Anything World.